Good morning, traders, investors, boys and girls. We've got the markets down. We can see we got a sea of red here. S&P down 21. NASDAQ's leading the charge down 1.23%, 131 points to the downside. We got the Dow down 174, down 0.6, and the Russell down 0.5%, almost 8 points there. The money is going to bonds right now. It's running to safety. We got oil down 37 cents, back down around 41 bucks, and gold hovering around this 1806, down 7.6. You see all the big NASDAQ names are all down here this morning. Tesla down almost 4.5% there. Big move to the downside. And IBM and Goldman Sachs here. Goldman Sachs is giving up some of its gain there from yesterday after big earnings reports. And then we can see our plays here on coronavirus are taking a hit after a big move up yesterday. So let's jump over morning routine to the charts. S&P is hitting that supply zone. You had early warning yesterday about the supply zone. Markets could not get through that. This is the daily chart. We have turned and burned a little bit off of that supply zone there. So that is coming into full effect. You got to stay with the trader boys to have advanced notice of what's going to happen in the markets. Here we've got the Russell 2000 doing exactly the same thing. It hit the supply zone that we posted there yesterday. This is a proven supply area. We've hit that. We break below this candle's low here, we're going to get a move to the downside. Right, so we don't really have, right in here is a proven demand level. It is pretty heavily affected though. So you'd be looking around 1411 on that one. But we're probably ready to get back down to this 1375 area. So important stuff here, important stuff. NASDAQ just couldn't make any sort of headwinds up on the NASDAQ yesterday. Right back down to the demand level. I drew this demand level in last night. Coming back to this 10.4 area that we posted on Monday, when the markets reversed off on Tuesday. So we get this little demand level here. Look for this to come back into. You've got level on top of level of supply through here. It's going to be a difficult job for the NASDAQ to get up there. So probably be ready for this area here to be broken. So it's going to be an interesting day. See what happens there. The VIX is in the area for takeoff for markets to fall. And we got oil up in the 41 area, which is into supply. This is proven supply many times over. It is now taken out. It is taken out. So there's going to be a little bit of supply above us up here. So that's going to be the next area of supply. And then this market can run if the economy can grow. So we're coming heavily into earnings season. This is going to be probably the most earnings season we've had in over a decade. We're looking for this to be the worst earnings season in a decade, but we will see what the companies report. You think of all these companies that were shut down for 3 months. That's going to have a massive effect. Money will flow to other companies who will benefit dramatically from it, and other companies are going to take massive losses on this. So knowing that, understanding that, you've got to increase risk management. You've got to have hedge portfolios where you're buying put options on your stocks, cashing in on your stocks right now as we're at supply levels and reinvesting, or you can take options on VIX. There's many different ways to do it. We will walk you through that. We will teach you that at the Trader Boys. Right? Last market here is gold. Gold was in this triangle formation last night. It was heading this support, becoming resistance area right here. It did break the lower trend line. That was your go. So breaking the lower trend line, breaking below this candle's low, that's where you could have gone short, stop loss just above. And now we have the breakdown. So we're going to have some buying pressure here, but ideally you can get all the way down to 1782 here before we really get any unfilled orders, buying pressure coming into play. So there's a nice short opportunity. We are developing a potential supply zone here. We get a big candle down here, wait for the retracement back into 1807. You can look for the short. Very interesting play though. If the market does drop here, gold is not expected to. So be very, very aware of money flow and where money is flowing in these markets. Dale Sargent, thanks for watching. We will catch you tomorrow morning. Have a great day.